Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a super cute and small flower. For the tutorial I'll be using this purple colored cotton yarn. You need a pair of scissors, and I'm using a 3.5mm hook. Also, in place of a yarn needle, I'm using a very small hook size. To start up the tutorial, first we're going to be making a slip knot. For a slip knot, this is the tail of your yarn, this is the working yarn. You're going to wrap this working yarn around these two fingers like this. You have a circle, pull this working yarn through that circle and tighten up like that. Go into the circle with your hook. Adjust the working yarn till it fits the size of your hook, like this. So we're going to chain up 3. To make a chain, yarn over and pull through. We're going to make this very first chain a bit loose and place 2 more chains. Work 2 more chains rather. Next, we're going to be working into this first chain, and all the stitches are going to be in this first chain. We're going to work 2 double crochet in this chain here. So yarn over, go into this chain space, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So we have the first double crochet. For the second double crochet, yarn over, go into that same space. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. After that, chain 1, 2, slip stitch into this space here. Go into the space, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook. Now pull through the first loop, through the second loop, and you have successfully slip stitched. Next, chain 1, 2, go into the same space with 2 double crochet, yarn over into that space, place your first double crochet stitch and the second, chain 1, 2, slip stitch into the same space. We are simply trying to create our petal. So usually I like my petals to be 5 in total, but you can make yours 4. It really depends on what you think is cute. We're going to repeat everything we've just done for the first 2 petals. That is, after slip stitching, chain up 1, 2, place 2 double crochet into this same space, chain 1, 2, slip stitch into this space, so we have 3 petals. We're going to go ahead to do 2 more. For that, chain 1, 2, go into the space with 2 double crochet. For the last petal, chain 1, 2. It looks a little tight, but what you have to do is adjust the petals a little bit to create space. 2 double crochet into this space. The first double crochet, second double crochet. After that, chain 1, 2, and the last slip stitch. After we have that, you're going to chain 1, grab your scissors and cut off your yarn. Pull this through and tighten up. This is what our flower looks like. Turn the back. We're going to weave in these loose ends into this flower. You can use a yarn needle, I said that earlier, but I'll be using a 2.5mm hook. To do that, come to the top of some stitches, grab the loose end, pull it through, top of some stitches, grab and pull through. You're going to repeat this process. When you're satisfied with the length of the loose end you've weaved into your flower, grab your scissors and just cut it off. And there we have it. So you're going to repeat this same process for this other loose end. I think I'm just going to leave this strand of yarn here because I like it, but you can go ahead to weave it in. And yeah, that's how to crochet a simple cute flower. I really hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Kindly like this video, comment your thoughts in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Thank you.